Three major causes of impotency in men. That is what I am going to share in today's video. And once you know these three causes, endeavor to avoid them to be the best man you want to be. But bear in mind that impotency can make a man unhappy. When a man is impotent, it can make a man to be inferior or to feel inferior within himself. So once you know the three causes of impotency that I am going to share today, endeavor to avoid them. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the three major causes of impotency and what you will do in order to be the best man you want to be. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case you are new on this very channel, hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. But what is impotency? Impotency is when a man is unable to impregnate a woman, or when a man's semen is unable to fertilize the female egg. That is impotency. But impotency can be avoided when you can be able to avoid these three major causes. So what are the three major causes? The three major causes are: number one, hormonal imbalance. What is hormonal imbalance? Hormonal imbalance is when your hormone is either high or too low. That is hormonal imbalance. So when your hormone is either high, it will affect your body system and it will also affect your immune system. And when it is also low, it is also the same thing when it is high. So the best thing to get your whole self or the best of your body system is to make your hormone to be moderate. That means it is not high and it is not low. But once it is abnormal, it can cause impotency in men. Number two is infection. What is infection? Infection is when the body system contains germs, bacteria, and viruses, which disorganizes the function or the structure of the body system. That is an infection. So if a body contacts an infection, without treating that infection will store in that body system or in that particular body, which when untreated will result to disease or an infection called gonorrhea. And this gonorrhea can make a man infertile or can cause infertility in men. When a man is infertile, it also means that that man is impotent, because if you are not fertile or you are not able to make a woman pregnant, it means that that man is impotent. So untreated disease can lead to infertility. And once a man is infertile or not fertile, it also means impotency. So infection can make a man to undergo impotency. Number three and the last is taking medications outside prescription. What is taking medication outside prescription? It is when a human being or when somebody is taking drug without the knowledge of either the physician or the doctor or the health care provider of that particular person. When you are taking drugs on your own knowledge, of which maybe you are not a doctor or a nurse or a physician, taking drug outside prescription is abnormal and it is not advisable. When a man takes drug outside prescription, it is a drug abuse. How can you take a drug when you don't know the actual function of that drug? And taking drug on your own knowledge can affect your body system, because some drugs that you are taking, you might not know the actual work or function of that particular drug you are taking, and you might even take overdose, which can disorganize your body system and make you to hibernate or misbehave. So on how you take drug outside prescription, you might take a drug that will damage both your cell, your tissue, and also destroy your sperm cell as a man. So taking drug outside prescription is one of the major causes of impotency in men. So what you need to do in order to be fertile or to avoid impotency is: 1. Avoid infection. Number 2, avoid taking drugs outside prescription. And number 3, make sure that you have a moderate hormone. Once you avoid these 3, you will always perform well as a man. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, or you want me to make any video concerning men and natural ways to keep men for you, put it in the comment section below. I will never hesitate to reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and family, people you think that might need this very video, in order to help them. Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Good luck. Bye.